In this video, we'll go through how you can easily keep track of logged parcels. We'll look at sessions and how to filter them. There are two types of sessions, open and closed. Open sessions list all outstanding parcels for a particular recipient. An open session turns into a closed session when the recipient collects their parcels. A recipient can have many closed sessions, but only one open. Let's see what this means in practice. Go to the Manage screen and click on Search History. Now you see a list of all previous sessions. Open sessions are gray, while closed sessions are blue. When we click on a blue session, we can see a session overview. It shows the recipient name, collection time, and who logged out the parcels. You can find more details on each parcel in a session. For example, the time the parcel was logged, by whom, and the carrier. By clicking on the parcel icon, you can see an image of the parcel. The image only shows if someone has scanned the name or barcode. You can also see the signature used to log the parcels out. Next, let's take a look at how we can filter sessions. You can search individual sessions by name. You can filter them for a particular period and by whether they were yet collected. And that's how you can easily keep track of parcels on the phone and make sure you don't lose any deliveries.